So this is how you can fix queued emails or not sending emails. You're going to want to open up the Gmail app and then tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. So as you can see, there are quite a few buttons. The next step to do is to scroll down and find Outbox. This is where your queued emails should go. As you can see, I don't have any because I don't have that bug, but if you do have queued emails, you're going to see them here. Now, what you're going to want to do is swipe left and then find your settings at the bottom. Here are the settings for your account. So you're going to want to scroll down again until you find data usage. Tap on sync settings and make sure this is set to 1. Tap on done and then reset your phone. You could even delete the app and then re-download it if you want to. But once you do all of that, you're going to want to go back to your settings, go down, data usage, sync settings, and then set it back to 30. Tap on done, and you should be good to go. This way, you won't have any more queued or not sending emails on your Gmail account. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if this tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.